First thing, today you're gonna do to make money watching videos on YouTube, is to go over to YouTube, and start watching a video. It's kind of obvious, right? Anyway, you need to watch videos that are on topics related to mystery, news, facts, psychology and anything related to these topics that I just mentioned. You have to stick to these niche or topics to be able to get this to work. So here are some examples of channels that have videos like this that you will be able to watch to start this process to making money watching videos on YouTube. Now you're gonna copy the link and you're gonna jump over to this website. And you're gonna paste the link that you got from YouTube into this other website and you're gonna press enter. This website is called YouTubeTranscript.com. Know that your video is converted to an article. You're gonna copy that entire article and you're gonna paste it somewhere. You could use Google Docs to keep it there for a quick minute while I give you the other steps. Now here, you're gonna arrange the article. And after doing that, you're gonna copy that article out of your Google Docs and we're gonna paste it at Spinbot. Now, this particular website will actually rewrite the entire article into a new article that I would say is a little bit more optimized. Once again, you're gonna copy this full article and you're gonna put it in your Google Docs for it to stay there while you complete the other steps. Obviously, you're gonna delete the old article that you have in your Google Docs. So this is the current one and the one that we'll be using. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and just become a Money Access family member. So that I can welcome you once and for all. Thank you in advance. Now, let's continue the video. Know that you have your optimized article in Google Docs. You're gonna go to a website called Vocal.media. This website will pay you $3.80 per 1,000 views for the articles that you're copying from your Google Docs and uploading on this particular platform. You're gonna upload your article to Vocal Media. After upload your project, click on the Save Changes button right here. And then, again click on this Submit for Review button. It's take while and they take a look your content. After that, you can publish your article for others. So, basically if you're able to get people to view your article 10,000 times, you will be able to make $38 for that article. Guys, we started this method a little while ago and, after the first month we had published only one article this way, and we could make almost around $2. I wanted to see how lucrative it is as a side hustle. So guys, if you're gonna upload 10 articles per day, which means that we would take 10 YouTube videos per day. We would go through the process that I just described, and we would convert 10 videos to articles. Which means that, at the end of a 30-day month, we would have 300 articles? Now considering that, this process to copy the video link, paste it, just structure it, and paste it, and upload it, takes a few minutes. You can actually do 10 videos in a day very easily. Now if you're making a $1 for each of these articles, and you have your 300, which was the case, we were able to make probably about $300 or even more dollars. Guys, just make sure you understand that this is not gonna make you a ton of money and we are very deliberate in our approach to maximize the earnings. I can't guarantee you may have the same experience, because it depends on your effort. The bottom line is, it's possible. It can make money, and if you have the time to dedicate to this particular site. I just want to say, you can't expect this to replace your full-time job. It's just gonna be a side hustle, but it has to make sense. Then guys, end of today's folks. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, remember to like the video. Also don't forget subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.